Family Black Feniks checking in. Right now, I am inside of Miss Curl's signs and t-shirts. I'm about to cut a hole in this wall here soon. I'm actually getting some measurements down. I'm going to show you what I'm working with. My bad. I'm going to actually take that window out and go from the side of the window over. I think it's going to be a 4-foot opening where you can be able to get things like this in. This is one of her widest things that she used. So we want to make it a little bit wider where they can be able to get in there no problem and seal it off. So I've been here trying to come up with a few ideas on how I'm going to line it out. Got to move some of this stuff out the way, reorganize some things. But that's what you do when you get started. You have to come up with a game plan, figure out, make your next move, your best move. So we're going to move a few things out the way, try to get organized, get some things going. HogOn, y'all be blessed. I'll be back in a minute.